GM, welcome to what's going to be another great DevNTell. So if you didn't know, DevNTell is a 30-minute podcast held every week, allowing hackers, founders, and anyone in between to come on the show and showcase their product. And today I am ecstatic to welcome Akhil Manga, who's head of community at Lore Network. So if you didn't know, Lore Network is a Web3 proof of learning network powered by advanced AI algorithms, helping you level up your knowledge with fun and incentivized learning. So if you stick around for today's episode, you'll see Akhil give us an overview and demo of Lore Network. All right, let's get into it. GM, welcome to the show, Akhil. Pleasure to have you on.
Hi, everyone. It's great to meet you. No,
Yeah, likewise. And thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to come and show us Lore Network. Before we get into that, though, would you like to give a brief introduction about yourself in case people aren't familiar?
yeah, definitely. I'm Akhil, and I'm the head of community at Low Network. Before this role, I'm the founder of Defenders. Then it is basically a community of Web3 security people. And right now, I'm working on a startup called Cicada. It's basically a gamified Web3 security auditing platform. Now we are trying to get funding. Let, that's all. That's all about me.
Awesome, man. Yeah, I guess I'm always curious to learn. How did you get interested in tech and find yourself at Lore Network?
Yeah, basically, I was studying in undergraduate college where we don't have enough resources to learn latest new technologies, and we don't have experience in faculty to learn new technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and blockchain technology. But when I was searching for new technologies, I got fascinated about blockchain technology. So I just searched about blockchain technology, and I got to know about the concept of decentralization. So that made me interest to learn about blockchain technology. Then I started seeing DApp University YouTube videos how to learn Ethereum development and all this stuff. And after that, I learned uh, HTML, CSS, JavaScript basics, and directly jumped into Ethereum development through Alchemy University. So and I graduated from Alchemy University. I did
Wow,
a
that's
small
amazing.
project. Yeah.
Yeah. So did you have a little bit more to say, or
What?
didn't mean to cut you off? I didn't know if you were finished
No,
speaking or
no.
not.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's all.
yeah,
Through Alchemy University, I just learned Ethereum development. Afterwards, I just followed Sir Patrick Collins, and that's a great journey from that. Like in the year of 2022 December, I started learning, and right now, Sir Patrick Collins follows me on Twitter. That's a great achievement for me after 2 years. So yeah, for
that's
me,
amazing.
yeah.
That's amazing, man. Yeah, and Patrick is a OG member of the DAO as well, so that's a great connection. Yeah, definitely.
True.
I know a lot of folks have learned quite a bit through his learning materials. Yeah, that's amazing, man. And I guess through all this, obviously being all self-taught and whatnot, how did you land at Lore Network? Like, what was the appeal of Lore Network that made you want to come here?
Yeah. Did you ask how do I get the role head of
Yeah,
community at Loan
yeah,
Network? So
yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Basically, like, how did you find yourself at Lore Network?
So while I'm learning the development, after learning development, I also learned Web3 security skills from the same Sir Patrick Collins, and I found some bugs in the platform called CodeHawks. So while I'm learning development, I used to attend hackathons like ETH India in our own country. So I just attended that hackathon to build projects. So I got a teammate named Puneet. So he's the CEO of Low Network. So with that connection and I showcasing my own experience with the Defenders Den community, and I just spoke with my teammate Puneet, and I got a role as head of community, and I'm working right now at Low Network.
Awesome, awesome,
I
man.
got a connection from hackathon.
Ah, yes, the hackathon. Which
Yeah,
hackathon?
Eat India.
Eat
I
India.
already, yeah, Eat India
Yeah.
hackathon.
Right on. Yeah, that's basically the hidden gems of getting gigs at in Web3. Just attend
True.
hackathons and you'll end up you'll end up somewhere. But that's amazing. Yeah, I guess I'm interested to learn more about Lore Network. Like, tell us what it is. Why folks should get excited about it.
Yeah, definitely. Sorry. So the loan network, this is the first AI-powered proof of learning network for Web 3.0 internet. And should I share the screen?
Yeah, I brought your screen up.
Yeah, done, done. So let me, sorry,
Nope.
sorry.
All good. All good.
This is the pitch deck of loan network. So I'll explain like why we started with the loan network. So there is like a lot of problems in the current industry. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
okay. Like there is like lack of accessible and current education throughout the world. So and like the traditional education systems are struggling to keep pace with the new technologies, and they are not providing the certifications, credibility, and the verification of that learnings. So there is also a fake degree industry is estimated over 7 billion annually worldwide. That's a very wrong thing, right? So so we create a loan network for that, and there are like problems like limited community and network building. So there's some platforms only provides education, but they don't interact with the community a lot. So we do the both things, the community engagement and the learning part. And that's all I want to share. And so and like, can I share the loan network? How does loan network works?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Just go through this website. This is the AI powered proof of learning network for Web 3.0 internet. So, so if you are learning new technologies like artificial intelligence or quantum computing, anything. So, yeah, no problem with the screen.
Sorry, Akhil. Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
yeah.
you switched. Yeah, yeah, you're
So,
good.
if you want to learn new technologies like artificial intelligence, quantum computing, anything in the future, so you need to be good at foundation and basics, right? You need to be good at foundations and basics, right? If you want to learn new technologies. So to learn basics, you can go through lower search. First, I will show you how to get it. Like just click the lower extension part and download the lower extension here. And you need to have MetaMask wallet within your browser. MetaMask is also an extension. Should I show you? No,
Yeah, yeah,
yeah.
go for it.
MetaMask is used to store cryptocurrencies. You can install MetaMask extension within your Google browser, and after installing, just uh, open that, and also you install a lower network extension. So just connect the wallet with the lower network extension and open. Go to dashboard. So this is the dashboard of lower network. So if you want to learn basics and foundations of new technologies, or like if you are doing any courses, if you have any doubts, you can come to here, like come to lower dashboard and come to low search. Like what do you want to learn now today? What is Neb?
Uh,
What do you want? Like just a
uh,
question.
let's learn what blockchains are.
What is blockchain?
Yeah.
So there are results of 451 results, and you have two options like what is blockchain on the concept of what is blockchain. You can generate nodes and you can attend quiz. So generate nodes. So it takes some time. So you can get a quick overview of that topic and you can learn it fast. So understanding blockchain technology. So this is the content overview, core proposition, and primary arguments like decentralization, security through proof of work protocol. So this is the short notes for you to get a quick overview of the topic, and you can attend quiz also.
So this is generating a dynamic quiz
Yeah,
based on
like
the content. Okay.
yeah. If you want, like, sorry, if you don't get results, you just type like click web option here. I'll search again. Like click web option here. What is blockchain? Like here you can type. So you'll be getting the latest results, and you can attend quiz also here. Try to create a quiz using low search. I think some results don't show quizzes. Like according to the low, like the article, the length of the article, the quiz questions will be based. Like blockchain, you can attend quiz here. There are a lot of results. You can attend quiz wherever you want. I think this is also not working. Just start. Yeah, this is working. Start. So there are like five questions. A distributed, like what is the primary purpose of blockchain? What do you say? No. Just answer it. Is this the answer?
The first one.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Which consensus mechanism used by Bitcoin?
Proof of
Proof
work.
of work. Exactly. Which cryptographic method is a fundamental to blockchain security? ISEC.
Uh,
That's the one, right? Yeah.
yeah. Oh, well, hash
Oh,
functions as well. Symmetric key cryptography was,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah. No problem. What is smart contracts in blockchain? Like automated contracts. Yeah.
Yeah, seems about right. Yeah.
What is a hard fork in blockchain? I think it's a software update. Yeah, that's correct. So you'll be getting like if you correct more than 50% of the questions, you'll be having an option to mint your SBT. So if you are like if you correct questions below 50%, you can retry the quiz. Sorry, I think here in the activity section, uh, you can mint SBT. So here we corrected four questions correct and the one last, and you can mint here. You can mint your own SBT. So I'm minting here. Confirm it.
And what does SBT stand for?
Yeah, I'll tell you. I'll tell you. I'll
Sure.
explain about SBT also. So CSBT. So in the badges section, you'll be able to see all the SBTs you have earned previously after attending quizzes. So what is exactly SBT? That's your question, right?
Yes.
So yeah, SBTs are known as like soul-bound tokens. So soul-bound tokens are created uh, like that is the purpose to show the credentials of what you have learned. SBTs are created for the purpose to show the credentials what you have learned, like showing the proof. So those SBTs are type of NFTs that can be that cannot be transferable. Yeah. So
Gotcha.
if you learn one concept, you can mint one SBT on that topic. Like you can show others that I have learned this concept and I have just minted this SBT in lower method. So this is the proof I have. So
Gotcha.
that is so this way we are like saying proof of learning network for Web 3.0 internet. Not only for Web 3 education, like that's what I said. Like in the future, if you want to learn any technologies, you need to be good at foundations and basics. To learn those basics, you come to low search and just search. It is similar to Google search and perplexity. So you'll be having options to generate notes and attend quizzes. So that's the advantage you will be getting through load network application. And not only through low search, directly you can type it here. You can get a quiz pop-up. Just let me know what is NFT. Let's see what is NFT.
Sure.
Yeah, let's see what is NFT. Uh, yeah, any article you can open it. Non-fungible tokens. So this is the topic, or there is no article in it. Sorry, any article like what is Web3 will type. You'll get more articles. Yeah, this one. So this is the article we are reading, and so basically you will get a quiz pop up here when you read articles. I'll show you it. Some of the websites doesn't get quiz pop up because like our own technical team is like fine tuning the AI model to get quiz pop. Yeah, you can see here like the Chainlink website. Chainlink has the best education resource, so they write very good blogs. So what is Web3? You can see here. Are you able to see the quiz pop up here? No?
Yes. Yeah. We can see your
Yeah,
screen.
done,
Yeah.
done. You can start the quiz here directly. So what is the core principle of Web3? Decentralization and cryptography. Yeah. Who first used the term Web 3.0 and what did it describe? Do you know? No,
Uh,
mostly think
I'm not sure. Maybe Gavin would.
Gavin would like the smart contracts, right? He created
Uh,
smart contracts.
yeah, I'm not sure.
I think, yeah,
Tim Berners-Lee. Nice.
yeah. What does Web3 allow in the context of insurance? Permissionless insurance. Which technology is used to automate payments based on Web3 data in Web3? So, sorry, which technology? Can you answer it?
The
Cryptocurrency. Sorry. Chainlink I think so. Sorry. What is the aim of Web3 as described by Gavin Wood?
uh,
Integration with all existing technologies.
it's probably
Sorry.
less
Yeah,
trust,
no
more trust,
problem.
probably.
Yeah,
Yeah.
if you got wrong so many questions, you can retry the quiz again. Now also you can retry the quiz. And here again you can meet the SBT. So if you don't get here directly, technical team is updating the application. You can go through here, understanding Web3. So you can meet SBT again here. I corrected 3 questions and again I'm minting the SBT. That I show the proof to others that I learned understanding Web3. This is the link here. This is the SBT. 3 questions correct. This is the link I have studied. See SBT. You can see in the SBT section, my badges section.
You've
So
learned quite a bit.
what?
You've learned quite
Yeah,
a bit. You have a lot of badges.
true,
Nice.
true.
Yeah.
Yeah, and also like you can learn whatever you want. Like here you can search it and you can get a quiz pop-up. Like what are AI agents? Those are like trending right in the industry right now. What are
Yep.
AI agents? Just go through one of the articles. Just you will get a quiz pop-up. Again, you attend the quiz, mean the SBT as a proof, and just go on with your own learning. So that's the one of the feature within the low network. And sorry, I'll go to the dashboard again. Yeah, that is one of the feature. And one more feature I want to explain that is like low gen rate. So this is the great feature where every student and working professional can use to save the time. Like you can paste any web page URL or YouTube video URL. And again, you have two options: generate notes or attend quiz. So, what do you want to paste the URL? Like, can you like let me know what is the What is,
Uh, what are ERC20 tokens?
sorry, oh sorry, our own live session came up. What is ERC20 tokens? So I think CoinGecko explains well it. I can type it whatever you want. Sorry, sorry for the YouTube ad. You can copy this URL and you can paste it here. Like generate notes. Like some of the YouTube URLs doesn't work because like as I said, like our own technical team is fine tuning the AI model. You can get a lot of like other topics like what is let's try what is liquidity pool. Yeah, let's try this. Ma'am, do you know whiteboard crypto?
Do I know what? Oh, what broker? Yeah, I've seen it. Yeah,
Whiteboard crypto.
yeah.
So that's the best YouTube channel you can learn. You can learn many topics. So try to generate notes. So if it doesn't work, some other URLs work because, as I said again, and you can try to attend the quiz. We'll try it, but it doesn't work. Let's try one more time, the last time. So because as I said, our technical team is like trying to what is Web3? Let's try. So that doesn't work. No problem. As I said, my technical team is fine tuning the AI model. It will work like because like we did not like recently before 1 week we launched load generate, so it will work like in coming 2 days. You can try it after 2 days. So that's all about load generate, and here is the activity section. You can see what you have minted, what you attended the quizzes, what on what topics you have attended the quizzes, and here is the badges section. You can see the previous SBTs you have minted. So here is the lower Web3 feature where we launch future premium courses on Web3 or AI, and we will launch courses how to build applications on particular protocols. And also we have a plan to launch hackathon prep guides that will be helpful to a lot of coders, developers, and security researchers because we're trying to partner with all the layer one chains and try to create hackathon prep guides, how to build on their particular chains. So that's all about Load 3. Load Web 3 will be launching in the future. And invite and end. You can see here, you can connect the Twitter, join the Telegram community, you'll get points, and you can do a lot of things. And this is the global leaderboard. By using load features, you'll be gaining points. If you use load search or load generate, or if you generate nodes, or if you attend quiz, you'll be gaining points, and you'll be ranking in this leaderboard. So I'll tell you like what is the benefit to by gaining points. And this is the notes section. You can see what you have generated notes previously. So these are the notes I've generated. I can read whenever I want. So that's all about the low features. Like this is live on Open Campus Chain. Uh, Soon it will be live on Polygon, Binance, and Tyco. So to mint SBTs, you need to pay small gas fees. So that's negligible actually. Like to mint one SBT, you need to pay in Indian currency like 0.00000456 rupees. It's negligible. That's all about load features. And yeah, I want to tell you one thing. Like so, by using low features, you'll be gaining a lot of points. So in the future, those lower points, like the points will be converted into low tokens. So low tokens are the real money. You can sell it. You can use to access premium courses within lower ecosystem. You can do a lot of things with low token, and that's all about lower network.
Yeah, this is amazing, man. Could you go back to the website for a sec?
Yeah,
Yeah. So when you mint the soulbound tokens, what chain was it on again? I missed that.
op- open campus. That's layer
Open
one
camp.
chain for education.
Gotcha. Open one. Okay. Gotcha. Gotcha. And just to review, because like in the chat, we were saying how amazing this is. So essentially, what's happening? So if you go back to the search pane, uh, your what's happening is the when you search here, when you search the web, for example, is doing basically kind of a search on different articles around that topic, and then it's dynamically generating a summary or basically your note set, your course set, based on whatever content is in that URL, correct?
True, true.
Yeah. So basically, you don't even need to make courses, right? Because you're basically just having an AI, I imagine, do all the work for you to make the course and the quizzes, which is pretty cool.
Exactly,
Yeah, and it's the same kind of the same idea for the YouTube video. You basically have a bot that will watch the video for you and create a summary based on the transcript, correct?
exactly.
Gotcha, gotcha.
That's true.
And and is Lore Network open to the public? Can people just uh, come and download the extension and get going, or is
Yeah,
there a sign up process? What does that look like?
no, you can directly connect the MetaMask wallet with Lore extension because you need to download Lore extension. That's all. And I'll share you the links. Just wait a minute. Can I share the
Uh,
links?
I actually have the links. The links are on the YouTube description already. So, folks, if they want to get started, they have that content there.
Yeah.
Um, and for people who might start with Lore Network but have questions or might have feature requests, what's the best way for them to get in touch with you or the Lore Network team?
So can you repeat the question, please?
Yeah.
What?
So if people start using Lore Network and then they have questions or they have feature requests or just want to get in touch, what's the best way to get in touch with the team?
Yeah, directly. Like you can go through the Lore Network website. You can join the community here. This is the Telegram community where you can join and you can ask questions there. Sorry, you can you can ask questions. We'll be available in the Telegram itself. The,
Amazing. Amazing. Yeah, this was amazing. Thank you so much, Akhil, for coming on. This looked really cool to me, and a lot of the crowd thought the same. So I'm sure a lot of people are going to have a lot of fun learning over the weekend using Lore Network. Um, but
that's great.
uh, yeah, man. Uh,
I want
and
to mention something.
yeah, sorry. Yeah, go for it.
Yeah, yeah. So, like on Feb 4th, like we launched our own like Lore Network airdrop campaign. You can earn like $100,000, $10,000 of worth of low tokens. So you need to just submit the feedback. I'll share you the link, the tweet link, where we'll be like we wrote a process to participate in the airdrop campaign. Should I share here?
Yeah, if you share it with me, I can add it to the YouTube description after the fact.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll
Uh,
share you that,
yeah.
and yeah, done.
Amazing. Amazing. Yeah. Again, thank you so much, Akil. I really, really appreciate you coming on the show. That was a great demo, and yeah, like you said, now this is free learning. Basically, you just get up and go with Lore Network, which is amazing to see.
Yeah, that's it.
Awesome. All right, gang. For those of you who watched live today, I've dropped the link in the chat for you to claim your attendance badge for watching us live. So not only can you claim your Soulbound tokens for learning, you can also claim Soulbound tokens on Bit Badges for watching our show live here. All right, gang. With that, just want to wish everybody a very happy Friday, happy weekend, wherever you may be. And we'll catch you back here for another great episode of DevNTell next week. All right, all.
Yeah.
See ya.
Bye.
Cheers. Bye.